Hello all, welcome to 24th Java tutorial on NetstrikersDotCom. My name is Aditya and in this tutorial we will learn about the exceptional handling. Before I should start with the exceptional handling, let me ask you a simple question. Do you remember those days when your parents or teachers like to scold you for the mistake that you tend to repeat over and over again? I'm sure the output will be yes. If the output is yes, then the exceptional handling is very easy topic to understand, because exceptions are the abnormal condition that arise when our program fail in the runtime. So I have created a class called exe01. Since I am going to create a lot of program in it, so I marked it as 01, and within the main method I created a variable of int type and initialized it with a 0 value in it. Now in the line number 5 I've created another variable called b and initialized with the 67 divided by the value of a, which is 0. And since you already know that you cannot divide any number by 0, so what it will going to happen, you might be thinking that the compilation will gonna fail, but to be honest, the compilation won't gonna fail, because you can see that exe01.java, as you can see, compilation is successful. So that doesn't mean the Java compiler is full. That simply means it will gonna throw an exception in the runtime. So let's compile. So as you can see, we get an exception error, that is java.lang.arithmetic exception divided by 0. So we get an error. So Java will create an exception object as soon as it encounter that there is an exception code to be generated. So in this case, suppose in line number 5 we cannot divide any number by 0, so exception object is generated and Java runtime will throw an exception, and the thrown exception must be caught by the exception handler. Since we do not created any exception handler here, so Java application will gonna close and we do not get an output. So how to get rid out of it? Now there is a very popular and very useful technique in exception handling using the try and catch block. All you need to do is just place the try block in which the exception will gonna occur. So since line number 5 and 6 will generate an exception, so we are going to write try block here. So to create the try block, you just need to write try followed by the opening curly braces, and just close the curly braces here and write the catch. Now within the parameter of the catch block, you need to write an exception that will gonna throw when your program will gonna run. So since the exception name is arithmetic exception, so you need to write arithmetic exception here, name it as E, and you can warn the user that you cannot divide any number by 0 by simply writing system.out.println, and you can simply write you can not divide by 0. So let's run our code. Java C followed by exe01.java, Java followed by exe01, and as you can see we get an exception as you cannot divide by 0. Sorry, we get a message as that. Simply happen because as soon as Java encounter that there is an exception code, it will gonna throw in on the catch block, and this exception handler will catch whether there is any arithmetic exception or not. If arithmetic exception occur, it will gonna throw a message that you cannot divide any number by 0. So similarly, you can create as many exceptional program that you want. All you need to do is just read the API documentation for the exception class, and that's it for now. We are going to learn a lot in this course segment. So if you have any suggestion or any doubt, you can ask me in the YouTube comment section. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Until then, enjoy your life. Bye bye.